Hey everyone, if Opera GX keeps crashing, freezing, or closing unexpectedly, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you simple fixes to stop crashes and make Opera GX stable again. First, close Opera GX completely and restart your computer. This clears temporary glitches that often cause crashes. Next, make sure Opera GX isn't running in the background. Yeah, hidden processes can conflict and cause repeated crashes. Some extensions can be unstable or outdated. I mean, disabling them can quickly identify if they're causing the crash. Corrupted cache files can break the browser over time, so clearing browsing data may fix frequent crashes. Make sure Opera GX is fully updated. Yeah, outdated versions often cause instability and crashes. Sometimes hardware acceleration causes graphics-related crashes. Turning it off can improve stability. Antivirus programs or background apps may interfere with Opera GX. So temporarily disable them to test if crashes stop. If crashes continue, reinstall Opera GX. I mean, a fresh installation can fix corrupted program files. Make sure your system is updated. Outdated system files can cause compatibility issues and crashes. If your device is overloaded, Opera GX may crash. Yeah, close heavy apps or free up RAM. If nothing works, contact Opera GX support. They can help diagnose deeper software or system conflicts. And that's it. One of these methods should help fix Opera GX crashing issues and keep your browser stable. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.